All I gotta say is if you can just walk around and look for shit and search for shit to be offended by, you're living a pretty fucking good life, lady.
And then you wonder why I walk around with what I walk around with. Or ask me how I feel the way I feel in 2025. Because they throw shit like that in your face. But whoever bring their dog out here can bring some water for their own dog.